If your plank lasts longer than your playlist, you're probably doing it wrong. This exercise can build a rock-solid core that powers every lift, squats, deadlifts, even pull-ups. But mess up one of these 10 common mistakes and your plank goes from a core builder to a waste of time. Let's fix that. Mistake 1. Falling in love with the stopwatch. If your whole goal is to outlast the timer, you're missing the point. A 3-minute plank with your back sagging and your shoulders collapsing isn't beast mode, it's game over. If your form breaks, your gains break too. Instead, nail the form first, then crank up the intensity. When your form slips, drop it, reset, then come back stronger. Mistake 2. Crossing your hands. It looks comfy, but it slumps your shoulders, kills core tension, and basically turns your plank into nap time. Instead, put your forearms flat, palms gripping the floor, and lock in tight. Mistake 3. Looking up. Tilting your head up snaps your spine out of line, shuts down proper bracing, and makes your plank way less effective. Over time, it can lead to neck strain. Instead, keep your head facing down, eyes on the floor, and spine straight. Mistake 4. Letting your core nap. If your abs are just chillin' while you plank, nothing's getting built. Instead, drag your elbows toward your toes to activate your core muscles. Don't just hold the position, create tension. Mistake 5. Sagging hips. When your lower back arches, your abs basically clock out. It looks and feels easier, but it's completely useless for building a strong core because your lower back takes over. Instead, straighten your legs, squeeze your quads, fire up your glutes, and tuck your butt. Mistake 6. Sky-high hips. On the other hand, if your butt's pointing at the ceiling, your abs are basically off duty and your shoulders are carrying the load. This results in zero core tension and zero gains. Instead, keep your body in one straight line, head, shoulders, hips, and heels, and brace your core. Mistake 7. Shallow breathing. If your plank looks like you're practicing for a free diving competition, you're doing it wrong. Holding your breath or taking weak, shallow chest breaths kills the whole point of the plank. Your core shuts down. Instead, breathe deep into your belly. Inhale, brace, and exhale while keeping that full body tension. Oxygen is free, so use it. Mistake 8. Lazy shoulder blades. Letting your shoulder blades chill kills tension and stability. Instead, keep your blades pushed forward by pushing the ground away until your upper back rounds slightly. This should be a strong, intentional push, not a hunch. Mistake 9. The shoulder shrug. If your shoulders are kissing your ears, you're dumping the work onto your traps, making the plank easier but way less effective. Instead, push the floor away and keep your shoulders down, strong, and active. Mistake 10. Bending your legs. If your legs are bent, you're doing a plank light version, half the effort, half the results. The moment your knees slack, your lower back and shoulders start slacking too. A plank is supposed to be a full body exercise. Instead, lock your legs straight, squeeze your quads, and keep your feet close. Outro. Now tell me in the comments, how long can you hold a perfect plank?